Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
What me say?
Yeah.
Up there, up there, up there, up there. We're going. With your help, up there, we will be going. Elle Trema,
That's me.
right in front of Studio M.
By Eglinton, you know. Big up Careface CVP. You don't know. I see you and you see me. You don't know the links go already. Up to the fullest. That's why we are here right now and I express up to the fullest to the best. Just know that. And we're going to leave the rest. The name Trema still come off earthquake. Very powerful. You know, and there are times you don't know what to expect, so you have to expect the unexpected. It's like you don't know what I'm about to do, or you don't know when I'm going to come on board, or when I'm going to surface on board and thing like that. But just expect it, just like the earthquake, it caused an eruption, volcano, you do all kind of things, you know? But positive things that I want to put in on the head. I can tell you this, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can't break me. The hypocrites and parasites, them out they hate me. Them see me and take time rise and some of them despise me. Them a try to imitate, but none of them cannot be like me. Cause only one Elle Trema and that's me. Yeah. Music is food to the soul, as we not all know. See? And music is a passion for me. Music is art. And there's where I start from. You know? It make me happy. It keep me on a roll. You know? And I always want to pass on positive words to each and everyone because I like me there to uplift them in every which way, whether the young or the old, but they're all over the world. So my target audience is the world. See? Yeah man, I'm going to make everything fresh and clean. You don't know my slang splat ups, which means anything sounds and look fully up to the top. Sounds and look good fully up to the top. Yeah man. So you don't know. Look out for future things. And look out for things that happen now. Check out my EP Sounds of Upliftment because I'm about uplifting each and every one. Yeah man, me have some good songs. Check them up on the social digital platforms. You don't know. But in order to know more about me, you have to get to understand me. And in order to understand me, you have to get to know about me. See? So check me out on just look for Elle Trema. ELLETREMA. Because the name is consistent, you know, but upon everything almost. Well, me come to take over the place still. When I say take over the place, in a positive way, I talk about with the music, with everything that I do. Because I mean, it's a positivity. So, easy for reach me. Right now.
Big up Studio M.
Big up Studio M, Masani. You don't know, productions. Look out for Rastafest. Elle Trema said that. Because guess what? I see you and you see me. Splat ups over and out.
Yeah, so that was Elle Trema. Alright, so big up on yourself. Alright, this is Careface CVP. What me say?
Yeah.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.